Hello everyone, this is me Muhammad Umar Arazkar from Mysore. We both are on the way towards Kergelli reporting there's a snake just in their backyard of the house. So let's...
इसमें है
ಕೋಬ್ರಾ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ವಾಂಚರ
ಈ ಪಕ್ಕ ಗದ್ದೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲಿಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ಈ ಇಲಿಗಳು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಸಾಮಾನು.
ನಾನು ಪೈಪ್ ಎಳೆದ್ ನೋಡೋಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತದ ಬಿಡಿ.
This right side, what you see here is a complete agricultural plot. So here most of the rodents, toads, they move around here, and that is the reason the snakes come in. So snakes are the farmer's friend, and they help in controlling the rodents and the other pest population. So snakes are important in the ecosystem. So let's go and release the snake back. Spectacled cobra. The people who are working in the agricultural plots, kindly be aware, kindly wear 500 or 600 rupees gumboots and then walk into your farmlands. Else accidents I have seen many accidents where snake bites have happened to the farmers. If you like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family, and share it with those people who owns the farm and have the agricultural plots. So let them be aware about this message.